Now, welcome back to the 8 HTML tutorials of learning how to code in Pidgin English. And for inside this tutorial, we go look at links. But before we begin, it is important to explain wetin links be. So links na one of the things wey dey very important for website, and na link dey make it possible to move from one place to another on top website. So links get three types of movement. We fit use links to move from one place to another on top same page. We fit use links to move from one page to another on top the same website, and we fit use link to move from one website to another. So we go use links to move from down to up and vice versa for our web page. So to do links in HTML, you just need something wey dem dey call anchor tag. So before we begin all this movement, I go like create another file so that we go fit move from one page to another page on our website. So to create another file, remember say me I get HTML folder wey I create in the beginning of this tutorial. So I wan create another file now. So I go come so e go come be two files, the index.html file and another file wey I go just create now. E go be two files wey dey inside that HTML tutorial folder. So to create another file, I go just come to file here, choose new file, then I go press Ctrl S to save the file. Now the file now, I wan save am inside my HTML tutorial folder. Shey you dey see am? I go just call the name of the file page2.html. Now I don get my second file now wey automatically be second page on top my website, but I never put anything in there now, so nothing go dey for page 2 for inside our website. Now let us go back to our index.html file. Now inside our index.html file, we wan begin dey link from one place to another, but the first one wey we go do be say we wan move from one point to another for this same web page. Now for this same index page, we wan move from down to up. So how to do that one be say I go just use anchor tag. Inside this anchor tag now, e get href attribute, and na inside this href attribute we go put the link where we wan go to. So to go from one place to another on the same web page, say you wan go from bottom to up for the same web page, you go first add hash and you go type any name wey you like. For the purpose of this tutorial, I go just talk say go up. Now I go save this information now, but because say this one na link, we gats give the link name so that we go see am on top our website. Then wetin I go put inside this anchor tag be say I go just talk say go to the top. So as I don create link for inside this place now wey dey say go up, now I gats go set receiver for up because computer no sabi where up be. Up fit be here, up fit be here. So because say we want our own up to be here just directly above this head tag, na here we go come set the receiver. So the receiver sef go be anchor tag. So if I do a now, because say this one na receiver, we no go get this href attribute inside, we go just get name attribute. So this name attribute go come be exactly the same name wey we set inside that href attribute for this anchor link wey dey go up. This one wey we put hash by its side. So we go just copy this go up wey dey inside this href attribute, come go paste am inside this name attribute. This anchor tag wey get name attribute na im be the receiver, and this one na im be the anchor tag wey dey trigger am to go up. So if I save this document now, go back to our website, reload the website, then you go see, you see say e don carry me say go up. So if I click this thing now, e don carry me go up like this. So wetin I go do now be say I go come go from up now to where this one dey wey be down. So I go just come here like this, do another anchor tag, Now because say this one go be the trigger now, I go just put hash down, then come give am name say move down. I go save am. Then I go gats go set the receiver of that move down because say na here I wan make e dey. I go come here, create another anchor tag because say this one na receiver now, this one no go get href attribute. So this one go get name attribute. So I go say move down. So I go save this information now, come go reload am for our website. So if I reload our website now, I don see move down. So if I click am now, oops, e no dey work. So we don make one mistake for inside this program. So I go just come back here, go see wetin the mistake be. Okay, na down. The name na down here and e be move down here. So the name no dey the same. So wetin I go just do be say I go comot this one like this. The attribute of this name now na down. So I go just save this one like this, go back to our website, reload our website and go like this. You see say e don work. So I fit move now from this place bottom to up and vice versa, like this, and like this. So the next thing wey we go like do now be say we wan move from one page to another on top the same website. So we still dey our own website like this, we never comot for our website, but I wan move from this index.html page go this page2.html. So how we go take do that one be say I go use my anchor tag. This href na im be the link to the page wey I wan go to. So because say this my page2.html file dey inside the same folder as my index.html file, so my computer go automatically know say okay, these two files dey the same folder. So there is no issue at all. I fit just put only the name of where I wan go inside this href attribute wey be the link. So I go just talk say page2.html. So this one no need any receiver at all. So I go just talk say go to page 2. So if I save this information, reload our website again, then you see say e don carry go to page 2 come. So I go just click this go to page 2 and e don carry us come page 2 like this. But we never get anything for inside our page 2. So na why we no dey see anything here. But if you look at this link here, you go see say e don change this thing to page2.html. But now wetin we go do be say I go just come here inside our page2.html and add very few information here, so that when we navigate to our page2.html page, we go see something. So I go just do html, and now we don get the structure of html. This one for the title I go call am page 2, and for inside the body I go use my h1 tag and I go call am this is page 2. So if I save this document now, go back to our browser. So this is our index.html page. As you can see it here, you see am index.html page. So if I click go to page 2 now, you see say we don come page 2 and e don load this information for us. So the next thing wey I go do be say I go move from our website to another website. Now if I come to my index.html and I come do like this, come talk say anchor tag. Now inside my anchor tag now, I get my href attribute normal. Now inside this href attribute now, na here I go come put the link of the website wey I go like go to. So the website wey I go like go to now be the QuizBoot website. So I go just come here, copy the address and go paste am here. So I go just paste am here like this, save this information, and I go talk, before I save this information, I go just talk say go to QuizBoot. So I go save this information now. I go just come back to our browser here, go to our index page. So this is our index.html page. Now I don see go to quiz boot, so I go just click this go to quiz boot now. You see say e don carry me go to quiz boot page automatically, right? So but now there is one simple issue, because from our own website now wey dey open for inside this tab before, when we come go to quizboot.com, now quizboot.com don override our website. E don carry our own website comot here come replace am with e own. We no wan make something like that dey happen for inside our website. So wetin we go just do be say, make I first go back to our website. So wetin we go just do for inside this one be say, inside this anchor tag wey we dey use dey go to external website, we go just come here talk say target equal to underscore blank. So wetin target is equal to underscore blank dey do be say, we go force the external website to open for another tab so that e no go override our own website. So I go just save this information now, go back to our website, reload our website, dey look at this thing o. So if I click on go to quizboot now, e no override our website again. E just open another tab for the external website wey we dey try open. Since wey we don dey code dey come, I no remember to change this quizboot title, so I go just go change am now. So if I just come here like this, I go just talk say code in pidgin. Then I fit leave am as code in pidgin, or I fit just add another information to am as say coding don easy. So I go save this information now, go back to our browser, come reload our website. You see say e don change this thing now from quizboot to code in pidgin. Coding don easy. Yes. So as we don talk about links, so na so e go be for inside this tutorial. I go see you for the next tutorial where we go dey learn about how to add images to our web page.